After the equipment is in place, first operate the adjustable support feet located at the bottom of the equipment to make the reference plane of the equipment level. Install the water tank and add cutting oil special for the equipment. Install the manual oiling device and add the special lubricating oil for the equipment, and press the lubricating oil into the core friction pair of the transmission device through the grease nozzle to realize its forced lubrication and maintenance. Turn on the gas source. 3-phase 4-wire, please connect the power supply to terminals L1, L2, L3 and N of the power interface of the equipment by using cables that meet the specifications. Turn on the switch. Perform system return to 0 in the operation interface. After the equipment returns to 0, select the language of the system in the first interface. Measure the required length of wire for the window sash through the Bluetooth rod. Click the circular button to import the data into the system. After confirming the cutting data, open the motor, click the positioning, then release the material and press it. Click the work to execute the cutting. After entering the cutting length, start the motor, perform positioning, put in the profile, press, click the work to execute the cutting.